right? See, it's where the Detroit Lions play. It's down one of these streets. Fox Theaters to my left. A lot of history here, man. A lot of history. Okay, Little Caesars Arena. Okay, 75 South. A lot of traffic. It's Little Caesars Arena to our left. Again, a lot here, baby. Beautiful building. Villages are stacked on stacked on stacked. Money on money on money. Condos. Right? If you have the money, you can flip the area. If you don't, then you just here. Wayne State's Mike Ilitch School of Business, man. We in the real. There's no other place like this in the world. So wherever you guys are watching from, put it in. I'm from the Motor City right now, baby. Where are you guys from? Right? You gotta stay alert. Keep your head on the swivel, my babies. It's real. So, still in Woodward. Also, Woodward is #1. That is the first street that was made. Okay, I'm gonna get on 94. I'm gonna get us over. You got to know these signs, baby. If you can't read, you hit. I want to get right here because that Q line's going to come. MLK Boulevard. There's a lot going on. Sounds like someone is screaming. This might be 94 to my right, but I'll go down another. Yep, that was 94. But I'll just have to turn around, take it back, no big deal. But you see some of the city. We're out of the immediate downtown area. But you can see how the city has transformed. Mayor Mike Duggins has done an incredible job. Okay? We always discuss some of the great things he's done. Okay? This is your typical boulevard area. What's up? Happy New Year. What's up? Same to you, and thank you. Much love back to you. I really appreciate you. I wish we all could go live right now and just celebrate it. Okay? So obviously something's going on here. Little fire truck situation. Something's happening. Okay, like I said before. Okay, so I'm still going the right way. Where are you from? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Right. And these paved streets have so much history, man. So much culture. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. All the history, all that culture. That man walking like it's not cold and rainy out here. We're supposed to have a lot of snow tonight, and it's really supposed to be slick and dangerous. But as the designated dad, because my daughter and her like 6 friends, they're out partying, so would you rather have your daughter or son take an Uber back or be the one to pick them up? I'm gonna pick them up because I want them safe. So the Whitney, some beautiful, beautiful homes here. I used to work out at the Highland Park Powerhouse, man. Ron Love. Okay, Ron Love used to be one of the major people working out, coming out of the city, competing for Mr. Olympia, Mr. USA. Just what an incredible group of people. Some of you know about this, some of you don't. You're like, who's Ron Love? Look him up. It's also the Detroit. Oh, this car's flying pretty fast here. Okay. At the light, I gotta make a right. People drive stupid fast here. But there's a lot of rich history. You know, I'm a performance enthusiast. I'm a take a right turn here. Can barely see. Okay, 94. So far, so good. H is for hospital. But you got to be able to read. A lot of people are like, well, how do I know directions? You got to read. You got to learn signs. You learn them in class. You learn them as you learn to drive. But you'll learn them when you drive on these roads and understand. Sometimes you'll get lost. Sometimes you'll be like, thank you, I know where I am. Just like any other city or state. Okay. Just driving through here. My head is seriously on the swivel, people. That is the African American Museum. Charles H. Wright. Been there before. Some of you don't know what I'm talking about. Like, what are you talking about, bro? Brush? Nope, I'm gonna keep going straight. Low-key people, I'm a little bit lost, but I know some of the streets, and that's okay. You're gonna be on the journey with me. My dad used to be an electrician, and he used to come in these areas and work on people's homes when I was little, so I remember a lot of these roads, a lot of these names too. And a lot of these terrible homes and drug-related places, prostitution, all this has been torn down. And it's really about investment properties now. Like I said, you got to have bank if you're trying to be here. And if you can withstand some of the stress, you're going to make a lot of money. Okay. Okay. I got to go the other way. I know exactly. I got to turn back around because I just crossed 94. But there are a lot of condos here, man.